The Lucid Air, a game-changing electric sedan. Imagine a car that blends the luxury of a Mercedes S-Class, the performance of a Porsche Taycan, and an electric range that leaves even Tesla in the dust. That's the Lucid Air, a revolutionary electric sedan from Lucid Motors that's redefining what an EV can be. As of March 1, 2025, the Lucid Air lineup is stronger than ever, with updates that make it a standout in the luxury EV market. Whether you're an EV enthusiast, a luxury car buyer, or just curious about the future of driving, buckle up. We're taking a deep dive into everything that makes the Lucid Air special. A brief intro to Lucid Motors and the Air. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Lucid Motors, founded in 2007 as Ativa, started as a battery tech company. It wasn't until 2016, under the leadership of Peter Rawlinson, a former Tesla Model S chief engineer, that Lucid pivoted to building its own electric vehicles. Their first creation? The Lucid Air, unveiled in 2020 and hitting roads in late 2021. Fast forward to 2025, and the Air has evolved into a lineup of 4 trims: Pure, Touring, Grand Touring, and the mind-blowing Sapphire. Built in Casa Grande, Arizona, this American-made sedan is all about pushing boundaries, range, efficiency, luxury, and raw power. So, what's the Lucid Air all about? It's a luxury electric sedan designed to compete with the Tesla Model S, BMW i7, and Mercedes EQS, but with a twist. It's engineered to outshine them in range and efficiency while delivering a driving experience that's both thrilling and serene. Let's break it down. Trim by trim, feature by feature. The Lucid Air lineup. The 2025 Lucid Air comes in 4 distinct flavors, each catering to different tastes and budgets. Here's the rundown. 1. Lucid Air Pure, the entry-level stunner. Price starts at $69,900, excluding tax, fees, and options. Power, 430 horsepower, single motor, rear-wheel drive, or 480 horsepower with all-wheel drive, $5,000 upgrade range, 420 miles, EPA estimated 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.5 seconds. Key features: 34-inch curved glass cockpit display, Dream Drive Suite, 19-inch wheels. The Pure is the most affordable Air, but don't let entry-level fool you, it's still a premium machine. With a recent tweak for 2025, its battery shrank from 88 kWh to 84 kWh, yet its range improved by a mile to 420, thanks to a new heat pump boosting efficiency, now a whopping 146 ph. It's the most energy-efficient vehicle on the market, according to Lucid. If you're looking for a luxury EV that's practical and doesn't break the bank, the Pure is your ticket to. Lucid Air Touring, the sweet spot. Price starts at $87,500. Power, 620 horsepower, dual motor, all-wheel drive range, 406 miles. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.4 seconds. Key features: adds more power, premium interior options, optional glass canopy roof. The Touring steps things up with dual motors and a punchier 620 horsepower. It's the Goldilocks option, not too basic, not too extreme. You'll still get over 400 miles of range, and the 0 to 60 sprint drops to 3.4 seconds, making it feel sporty yet refined. It's perfect for those who want a bit more oomph without going overboard on price or power. Number 3. Lucid Air Grand Touring, the Range King. Price starts at $125,600. Power, 819 horsepower, dual motor, all-wheel drive range, 512 miles. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.0 seconds. Key features: Surreal Sound Pro stereo, enhanced Dream Drive Pro, 19-inch wheels for max range. The Grand Touring is where Lucid flexes its range muscle. With an EPA estimated 512 miles, it's the longest range EV you can buy in 2025, beating the Tesla Model S long range's 405 miles by a wide margin. Its 819 horsepower delivers a silky smooth 3-second 0 to 60, and the 2025 update brings a beefier stereo and standard heat pump. This is the choice for road trippers who want luxury and distance without compromise. Number 4. Lucid Air Sapphire, the Hypercar Slayer. Price, $249,000. Power, 1,234 horsepower, tri-motor, all-wheel drive range, 427 miles. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 1.89 seconds. Key features: track-tuned suspension, carbon ceramic brakes, bespoke interior. The Sapphire is the Air's wild child. With 3 electric motors pumping out 1,234 horsepower, it's a Tesla Model S plaid killer, hitting 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds and topping out at 205 miles per hour. It's not just about speed, Lucid tuned the suspension for razor-sharp handling, making it the best-performing EV sedan on the planet. The trade-off? A modest 427-mile range and a $250,000 price tag. This is for the elite who want to dominate both the road and the track. Design? Sleek, spacious, and futuristic. The Lucid Air's exterior is a masterclass in aerodynamics and elegance. With a drag coefficient of just 0.20, one of the slipperiest shapes in production, it cuts through the air like a sci-fi spaceship. The low, wide stance, sculpted hood, and full-width LED light bar give it a futuristic yet timeless look. The optional glass canopy roof floods the cabin with light, amplifying its airy feel, hence the name. Inside, the Air is a tech-forward sanctuary. The 34-inch 5K glass cockpit display curves seamlessly across the dashboard, blending the driver cluster and infotainment into one stunning interface. Below it, a retractable pilot panel touchscreen handles climate, navigation, and more, tucking away to reveal hidden storage. Materials like Napa leather, Alcantara, and walnut trim scream luxury, while the layout maximizes space. Think first-class legroom in both rows and a flat floor for rear passengers. Cargo space? The Air delivers. You get a 22.1 cubic foot trunk, expanding to 64.8 with seats folded, and a 10 cubic foot frunk, more than most EVs in its class. It's practical without sacrificing style, a rare combo. Performance, power meets precision. Driving the Lucid Air is an experience. The base Pure offers instant torque and responsive steering, smoothing out bumps with its coil spring suspension. Step up to the Touring or Grand Touring, and the dual motor setup adds grip and agility. Think confident cornering and effortless highway passing. The Sapphire? It's a beast. Its tri-motor system delivers neck-snapping acceleration, yet the chassis stays composed, rivaling sports cars like the Porsche Taycan. Efficiency is the Air's secret weapon. The Grand Touring's 512-mile range isn't just a number, it's real-world usable, with owners reporting over 400 miles in tests. Charging is lightning fast too. A DC fast charger can add 200 miles in 12 to 17 minutes, thanks to its 900-volt architecture. Plug it into a Level 2 charger at home, and you're full in about 13 hours. Technology. Cutting edge, yet evolving. The Air's tech suite is both dazzling and a work in progress. The 2025 models get updated infotainment hardware for snappier response times, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The Dream Drive system, standard across all trims, includes adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera with a slick bird's-eye view. The optional Dream Drive Pro adds semi-autonomous features, though it's not yet a full self-driving rival to Tesla's FSD. Owners rave about the interface's intuitiveness, but early adopters note software bugs, like slow camera boot-ups or glitchy regenerative braking, that Lucid's still ironing out. It's a young company, and the Air feels like a premium product with room to mature. The driving experience. Serenity and thrills. Behind the wheel, the Air strikes a rare balance. In smooth mode, it's whisper quiet, with massaging seats and a Dolby Atmos sound system creating a zen-like vibe. Switch to sprint mode, or Sapphire's track settings, and it transforms into a performance monster, pinning you back with relentless acceleration. It's not the most athletic EV, that's the Taycan, but it's composed, communicative, and a joy to drive. Road trips? The Air shines. Its range and fast charging mean fewer, shorter stops, while the spacious cabin keeps everyone comfortable. It's the EV that erases range anxiety for good. The competition, how does it stack up? The Lucid Air doesn't exist in a vacuum. The Tesla Model S offers similar performance. Plaid hits 0 to 60 in 1.99 seconds, but lags in range and interior refinement. The BMW i7 and Mercedes EQS counter with plusher cabins and better tech polish, though their ranges top out around 300 to 350 miles. The Porsche Taycan remains the driver's choice, but its 270-mile range can't touch the Air's endurance. Lucid's edge is its blend of range, efficiency, and luxury at a, relatively, accessible price, $69,900 for the pure undercuts. The Model S's $89,990 base. The Sapphire, though, plays in a league of its own. Ownership, the good, the bad, and the future. Owning a Lucid Air is a mixed bag. The good? Unmatched range, head-turning design, and a driving experience that's both calming and exhilarating. The bad? Early models faced recalls, steering, power loss, and service hiccups, though Lucid's support team is responsive. Build quality has improved, but it's not yet Mercedes-level flawless. Looking ahead, Lucid's expanding. Its Gravity SUV hits production in late 2024, and a sub-$50,000 model is slated for 2027. With backing from Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, The company's got the cash to grow, but it's still a startup battling giants. Final thoughts: is the Lucid Air worth it? The Lucid Air isn't just an electric car, it's a statement. It's for those who want luxury without compromise, performance without guilt, and range without limits. The Pure and Touring offer incredible value. The Grand Touring redefines road trips, and the Sapphire proves EVs can rival hypercars. Sure, it's not perfect. Software quirks and a young brand mean it's a leap of faith, but it's a leap worth taking. So, would I buy one? Absolutely. The Grand Touring's my pick for its range and refinement. What about you? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you're watching, hit that like and subscribe for more EV deep dives. The Lucid Air isn't just the future of cars, it's the present, and it's spectacular.